Today, I am giving you the most asked question, how to fix your posture or how to correct your posture. I know we all have the poor posture when we relax. Even I also slouch sometime. But friends, believe me, slouching really affects your back. And when you keep it as a habit, then you end up having severe back pain with poor posture. So today, I am sharing the tricks which my friend told me to get rid of slouching and poor posture. Actually, my friend told me that she joined an institute a few years back, and they teach newbies to walk on a ramp. So in that institute, she learned how to fix your posture. I will explain everything in simple words. I will not use any scientific terms, and I won't confuse you. Instead, I will explain every single point very clearly. So let's get started. Okay, when a person slouches or has poor posture, he or she walks like this, as you see clearly in that nerd neck. Such posture causes stress in your muscles, which leads to muscle pain and shoulder problems. So we have to fix this posture right away, and it is quite simple. No exercise and no secret formula, you just have to be present-minded. Step 1, breathe in, then breathe out. Okay, next step is to use your hand and make your chin straight. Now press your back with your hand like this and try to stand straight for the next 2 to 3 minutes. Let me explain this logic to you in very simple words. Remember this thing, that our body has a memorizing feature. Our body learns exactly what we teach. So when you stand like this, with back straight for a long time, your brain has the ability to control your body. So remember, we are basically teaching our brain and storing the fixed posture in our memory. See? Very simple. Now try to walk with this fixed posture. If you feel like you are slouching, then simply use your hands and press your back gently. This will really help. Chin up, neck straight, and chest out. So now walk. Practice, practice, and practice. Guys, believe me, if you have permanent back pain, then I suggest to consider your posture before visiting any doctor, because 90% of the time, poor posture is the cause of back pain. So please, friends, focus. Practice and be patient and fix your posture. My friend told me that due to poor posture, she was not able to stand straight. But with practice and her effort, she taught herself to fix that bad posture. Believe me, friends, you don't need to do any exercise. These steps are just enough to get rid of slouching or nerd neck. Note one thing. You have to practice this daily, 2 to 3 times for 30 minutes each time. And in 5 to 7 days, you will get rid of poor posture. And I challenge you that you are never going to slouch again. So friends, please share this video with your friends who are trying really hard to get rid of poor posture. And also, like this video to support me, and I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.